NIW RFE rates are rising. Whether your petition letter was drafted by an attorney or written on your own, how can you be sure it truly meets USCIS standards? Could there be hidden weaknesses, the kind that lead to a request for evidence or even a denial? QuickFiling's free petition review tool, an intelligent system built from insights gathered across hundreds of successful and challenged cases. This tool analyzes your petition letter from multiple critical perspectives. It starts with the framework review, checking if your letter follows standard structure and logical flow. Next, it reviews readability and clarity, ensuring your message is persuasive, clear, and professionally written. And most importantly, it runs an RFE risk analysis to uncover the common red flags that often lead to delays or rejections. Getting started is simple. Step 1, log in to your QuickFiling account. Step 2, upload your petition letter. Then, on the right-hand panel, click on Petition Review. Start with the framework review to detect organizational issues and get real-time suggestions for improvement. Explore additional insights to strengthen your structure, polish your language, and avoid RFE triggers before it's too late. Don't leave your petition to chance. Use the Petition Review Tool to uncover hidden issues and submit your strongest possible case. Log in and try it for free today at quickfiling.us. Try it now. Only on quickfiling.us.